Most times, when we talk about survival, we usually refer to surviving in wooded areas or a hideout. Today, we will focus on what you need to survive in an urban area. And yes, you can bug out in an urban area. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we will be listing out the essential items you need for an urban survival situation. Ready? Here we go. So, if an urban survival situation is different from wilderness survival, what sort of items are suitable for such a situation? You can personalise your survival kit to suit any disaster, and I recommend that you have one kit at home, another at work, and one in your car. This way, you don't have to run home to pick up your survival kit. The first item on our list is a tactical flashlight. You need to get a good flashlight, not a small pen flashlight, and you should keep it on you or in an easy to access part of your kit. Up next is a first aid kit. You should have a first aid kit, even if it contains just an antiseptic spray, a few band-aids, tape and gauze strips. You should have a water bottle in your survival kit. And, just in case you run out of clean water, you should pack water filtration tablets or a water filter. Also, you need to pack up survival food like freeze-dried, vacuum-sealed or dehydrated food, or you can buy food kits from the market. Another essential item you should have in your survival kit is a solar-powered emergency radio. This small device provides you with weather reports and emergency updates for your area. Pack a lighter too. This item can supply you with both light and fire during a disaster. You may need a folding survival knife that can serve several purposes, like cutting items open or as a self-defense weapon. Another item to pack is an N95 or N95 respiratory mask that will protect you from unhealthy air. Duct tape is a versatile item you can use to fix ducts, seal boxes, and food packages. It can also be used as a handcuff for self-defense if you should ever need it. Having a hard time lighting up a fire? You can use duct tape as kindle to start a fire. There are several items you need in your survival kit, and spare batteries should be a part of your kit. You will need spare batteries for your emergency radios, flashlights, and other devices. It's recommended that you get a hard crank version of your devices so that you're not dependent on batteries. And finally, if it still matters, you need cash. Lots of it. Probably because ATMs may not work when you need them to during a disaster. Also, note that when a disaster strikes, you need both tools and skills. This is because the more skills you have, the less gear you'll need. Are there items you think should be on the list? Please send your suggestions or any questions you have in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. There are two types of people. Those who prepare for an emergency and those who wait for the emergency to happen before they start panic buying and preparing. Which category do you belong to? I would prefer if you belong to the first category. Then we can both grab our bags and head out the door if there's ever an emergency. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We'll be discussing how to pack your bug out bag. Stay tuned to this video if you need help packing your bag. First, we need to decide on what to pack. Whenever we pack our luggage to travel, we sometimes end up packing items that we won't need on our trip. The same thing happens when we want to pack our emergency bags. We may be tempted to fill our bags with everything we own when all we need is just our essentials. Please, keep it simple. Pack items you will actually need. Now, this next one is important. Leave some room when packing your bag, just in case you need to pick up an extra item on the way. Another tip you should practice is having a backup for every item so that if one gets lost or broken, you can replace it. This way, you won't feel stranded or disorganised while on the bug out. If you have canned food, medicine, vitamins, and other items with expiry dates, always check your packed up bag and change them periodically. This way, you don't carry expired items on your bug out. Another thing you should consider before packing your bag is the terrain. The route you will take or the environment you will be bugging out to is important. Always carry items suitable for the environment. Now, on to the business of the day. Organising your bag. I have read in different articles that there is no specific way to pack your bug out bag, but I beg to differ. When you consider your health, the route, and items, there are two ways to pack a bug out bag. With the first method, you need to organise your items into urgent, non-urgent, and emergency categories. The items at the bottom of the bag will be non-urgent. In the middle of the bag, you should place urgent items like food, water, cooking gear, and others. They are better off in that position so that you can easily access them. The top of the bag should contain those items that you need to access within a moment's notice, are your emergency items, and they should be kept on you or at the easy-to-reach parts of your bag. Now, the second way to pack your bug-out bag should be in terms of weight. You need to pack your bag in a way that the heavy items are closest to your spine. This way, you don't put all the weight on your back or shoulders. Proactively packing your bug-out bag will help you avoid throwing random things in, which could slow you down, lead to back pain, or cause injury. Instead, you should pack your bag in an organised manner. If you have any tips that have helped you pack the ultimate bug-out bag, I would love to hear your own suggestions or any questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.